How to clean up scanned image in GIMP. There are two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both ways. First way is to go here on colors and then go here on curves. And you can drag this to make the black color to stand out, as you can see here, and not just black color but darker colors. And when you drag here, you can actually make white color to stand out, and you can actually move both of these independently. And when you set it up the right you want, you can leave it as it is. Just click here on OK and that's it. Now, second way is to again go here on colors and then go here on levels. And then here you can drag this to actually make black color to stand out, as you can see here. Okay, you can also do the same thing for white color, as you can see here. And also you can move a gray color to make it stand out, and you need to drag this to make it the way you want. And when you get what you actually want, you can just click on OK and that's it. Rarely you can click here and then you can click here on the black color, and then black color will stand out. And also you can click here and then click here on white color, and white color will stand out. But like I said, this rarely works. You will most likely have to use these sliders here to make it right, okay? So this is how you clean up your scanned image in GIMP.